Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I will be using the Birds in Snow collection from Pixel Scrapper. This is a winter-themed one, and I do not live anywhere very cold, but we will make it work here anyway with a couple Christmas photos. So I just started out here picking out the papers I wanted to use for the background. And then I had my two photos already printed out. I get my photos sent to me in the mail, so I have a pile ready to go and I just pick whatever suits me on the day. And now I'm just going through my alphas. I've been trying to use up my alphas. I'm not really into alpha stickers. Honestly, my bigger problem is that I'm not really into titles. So that's something I've been thinking about, is what to do on the opposite side of my page in the Traveler's Notebook. I usually like to have a photo on one side, and then I don't necessarily want to put a photo on both sides, so I need something to put on the other side, but I really hate coming up with titles. So I either need to get over my feelings about titles or come up with something else to do. So I've been thinking about that. So we'll see what comes of that in the future. But in any case, I actually have a title for this one, so that's something unique for me. And now I'm just backing up my two photos there with some different papers, some different scraps. And yeah, it'll all come together here pretty easily. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.